All right, to start round 3, we're going to be doing single crochets. So in this case, to start, we are going to chain 1, and in this case it does not count as our first stitch. We're going to do 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and then we're going to do 3 single crochets in a row. And we're going to repeat this pattern 6 times until we have 30 stitches. So let's start here in the next spot here. So to do a single crochet, you don't wrap around first. You can go through the stitch, then wrap around, pull through, and instead of pulling through this stitch, which is a slip stitch, we're going to wrap around once and pull through the both. That is a single crochet. So to do it again, you put it in your stitch. You're going to grab the yarn, wrap around, and pull through. So there's our 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. We're going to do 3 in a row now. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to do 2 in the next one. 1, 2. And we're going to do 3 in a row again. And if you look here, there's 3 loops. We're going under these top 2, but over that one. 1, 2, 3. And again, 2 in the stitch. And 3 in a row. 2 in the stitch. 3 in a row. 2 here. 3 in a row. And lastly, 2 here, and 1, a little tight right here, 2. Our last stitch for this round is going to be right here. It's really close to where our first chain was. We're going to go right in there, go through your 2 loops, wrap around, go through. And to finish this round, we're going to go right in the top of the first single crochet here. So you can see that V. And remember, the chain 1 from this row, you can see them right there, does not count as a stitch. It's simply just to get the yarn to come up a little so it has the room to put the stitches in. Since single crochets are so short on their own, they do just fine with just starting a single chain, and then you can go right into your stitches without counting that one as a stitch. But to do our slip stitch, we're going to go in the V, right under the V of our first single crochet here. And the single crochets don't have the same extra loop like these double crochets do here. So just directly under this V, We'll go right in, wrap around, pull through, and pull through the loop, our slip stitch. That is the end of round 3. And make sure to count. You should have 30 stitches. So if you start from here, you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There is your 30 stitches. And to count stitches, you can see these little chains at the top here. One of these chains would be a stitch. And sometimes, like the double crochets, you can count, you can see how they separate here. Sometimes the single crochets can be a little trickier. But there you have it. The end of round 3.